Is she getting ready?
Oh.
Are you sitting for your little Chloe? Oh, I know.
You're about to go to New York.
Huh?
Yay! I won't miss you. I won't miss you. Yes. Yes. Let's do your trick.
You
Want to do your trick? Stand. Come. Sit, girl. Sit. 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 Sit.
Aw, Chloe, you were doing it so good. It's too exciting.
Come here, Chloe. Sit. Chloe, sit. Good girl.
Good girl, Chloe. Good girl. You did really good with her, Sadie. You gave her a whole new life, young lady. You know that? Remember how scared she was? All right. You ready to send her off? All right.
Come on, Chloe.
Let's go. You gonna be able to lift her? You need help? You need Miss Denise to help you? Got her?
Here we go.
I think it's too dark out here. We can't see ya. There we go. That's not any better with the light. She wants a hug. Good girl, Sadie. Say bye.
Bye.
There she is. Oh, you can't see her. It's too dark, but...
Bye, Chloe. Where do I put this?
Back inside, honey.